Bybit Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Bybit are in the description below. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed look at Bybit's features, who it's designed for, and whether it's a good fit for your crypto trading needs. Bybit is a crypto trading platform that stands out with its advanced trading features, including leverage trading, derivatives, and spot trading. It's primarily designed for active traders and professionals, offering an intuitive interface with real-time charting tools, fast order execution, and high liquidity. If you're looking for more than just a basic exchange, Bybit gives you access to futures contracts with leverage up to 100x on popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. One of Bybit's most notable features is its user-friendly yet powerful trading tools, including advanced charting, indicators, and APIs for algorithmic trading. The platform's order types, like limit, market, and conditional orders, allow for greater flexibility in managing trades. Whether you're into day trading or swing trading, Bybit's offerings are solid for those who want to take more control over their trades. For those who want to earn passive income, Bybit also offers staking on certain assets, allowing users to earn rewards on their crypto holdings. In addition to staking, Bybit's reward program includes a lending feature, where you can lend out your funds to earn interest. Bybit is known for its low fees, with a maker-taker fee structure starting at 0.075% for spot trades, which is competitive in the industry. The platform also has robust security features, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for funds, and advanced encryption protocols. Deposits and withdrawals are quick, supporting crypto deposits, and Bybit also accepts fiat through third-party services. Overall, Bybit is an excellent choice for active traders and those who want to trade derivatives with leverage or earn rewards through staking and lending. It's not ideal for beginners, but if you're comfortable with advanced trading, Bybit provides all the necessary tools for success. Check out the links in the description to get started today.